Hi gang, I'm down here with Aaron and he is making soup. He's making soup and he's making it really well. You see, he's good at making soup. Hey Aaron?
Yeah?
What kind of soup is that?
Pork fish.
Oh yeah.
Double.
Oh nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
There's ketchup in it.
I tasted some of it and it tastes really good.
Can you taste the crab in it?
I can, yeah. You bet. Can I taste it like this with my fingers? Yeah, I think it's pretty good. I think it's pretty good. You could add maybe just a little bit of pepper or ketchup. Hey, do you got ketchup? Some ketchup would be nice. I would love some ketchup in there. Can you do ketchup? For me? Thank you. Oh yeah, nice.
Get some macaroni.
Macaroni. My favorite. I loved macaroni when I was your age. Okay, that's too much for my mouth.
Peaches.
Oh, peaches and macaroni.
No, peaches.
Oh, PJs and macaroni. Okay, yeah. That's the best way to have it, eh?
Can I?
Yum 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 yum.
Here you go. Now try it.
Now try it.
Yeah.
Okay. What? And that is the little chef. That is Aaron.